Our CES 2018 coverage is powered by GoDaddy. Please support our coverage by going to geeknewscentral.com/GoDaddy. Todd Cochran here, Geek News Central, part of our CES 2018 coverage, and we're at Kano. We're going to talk about some new kits they have. We're here with Bruno, and we're at Kano. We're going to talk about their new camera kit. So you guys have been busy, got some more money.
Certainly do.
Still, it's fantastic. So what's cooking here at CES?
So what we're unveiling this year at CES is one of our brand new kits. It's called the Kano Camera Kit. It's one of the first codable digital cameras for kids. It allows you to make your own Instagram filters, allows you to control the camera with sound, with light, with data from the internet. It's a really kind of open product that is really the world's your oyster with this kit. I can walk you through some of the challenges if that's
yeah. Let's see what you've got.
So this, for example, is a quick challenge. We use an interface called Kano Code to program the camera. That's our free online software to program all of our kits. And this takes you through a step-by-step challenge to build apps. This one here is a camera that then will react to clapping noises. And so we're going to use the microphone with this kit. We're going to add it here as a part in our code. We're going to add the microphone and the camera as a part. And we're going to change some of the parameters on these blocks to start to code the app and build up this experience. So here we take the blocks from the microphone. These are code blocks that you can use to program the different individual parts of the kit. So we'll use the microphone part here, put this into the app block. And then we can also adjust the volume of the microphone to see at which point we want the camera to take a picture. So here we're going to add a command called camera take picture, which does exactly what it says on the tin. And here we've actually built the app already with these 3 simple bits of code. We clap really loudly, and every time we do, and it reaches over the threshold, which we actually need to turn down here a little bit because it's quite loud.
That's good. Pretty noisy here at CES,
exactly.
yeah?
So here we've only gone to 20, so every time we clap, it will take a new picture on the camera. And that's a very, very simple project that you can see how code can interface with our physical hardware. And there are loads and loads of other challenges you can do with this kit to really make your own camera.
So when they get the kit, what do they have to do for assembly? Is there any assembly required?
Yeah, sure. So, I mean, the kit comes with something a bit like this. This is a kit of parts that you get. It's the same as all of our other kits. The kid will then, or the user will then follow this step-by-step book that we have, which contains a series of illustrations and a story-guided kind of build process. But it also teaches you a little bit about what is going on in the technology. Rather than just having a piece of tech and snapping a photo shutter, we teach you all about the history of cameras, light, and how these things actually work inside of the computer.
Kano's been really pushing the envelope and helping develop some new coders out there that are going to get some experience, stuff that you and I had when we were kids to do these types of little projects. There was nothing like this, so we had other types of stuff we were using, but this is absolutely awesome. So what is this particular kit going to retail for?
We don't have an exact retail price for now. We're hoping it's going to retail somewhere in the range of $99.
So any date on when it's going to be released?
I can't say for sure. We're hoping maybe to hit it at the beginning of 2019.
Okay. So here's another kit from the folks at Kano, and they've got a lot of cool stuff coming. What's the website they should check out?
So the website is www.kano.me. That's M-E.
So Kano.me. Todd Cochran here, Geek News Central, CES 2018.